Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my easy salsa piano tutorial. We're going to be playing this with major and minor triads. We'll start with a minor triad, A minor. That's played with the thumb, the middle finger, and the little finger, which is the 1, 3, and the 5 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first finger, the third finger, and the 5th finger. We're going to do the same thing on the other hand. That's 1, 3, and 5. We'll start by holding down an A minor chord on the left hand as we play the melody with the right hand. And the melody will be played this way. A, C, E, C, A, C, E, C, A. Now we're going to repeat that melody on every triad that we play. We'll play A minor first, which is A, C, E. And we'll keep our fingers in the same form, moving them down by one key. To G major, which is G, B, D. To F, which is F, A, C, and E minor, E, G, B. As you can see, we're playing every other note. Okay? So it's A, C, E, G, B, D, F, A, C, E, G, B. We'll start by holding down the A minor chord and playing the melody this way. We'll move to G. Then to F. And to E. So here it is, a little bit faster. Alright, for our next variation, we'll just strike each chord on the left with the first note of the melody, like this. And we'll move down the keyboard doing the same thing. Here we go. Next, we'll play the melody with both hands, which is a great exercise. We'll play A, C, E, C, A, C, E, C, A with both hands. Move down to G, do the same thing. Down to F. faster. Now for our last variation, we'll add some rhythm to it. We'll play Now what we're going to do is put the melody in between those little staccato notes, like this. Now let's slow that down and see what the pattern is there. Here we go. We've got A and the A minor chord played together, a C, and then we play the A minor chord, and then the E note, the C note, A minor chord, A, C with the A minor chord, E, A minor chord, C, A. So here it is. Again, even slower. And when we speed that up, move it down, move it down, down to an A. And that's easy salsa piano. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.